Hey everybody, it's Sean with Dents, and here's what I have for you today. I have a smaller dent here, but the biggest challenge on this one is the access. A lot of times we go through the tail lights to get to it, and there is a manufactured hole there, but there is a lot of other metal in the way that won't allow me to put a tool on it. So what I'm gonna have to do is glue pull. So I'll check back with you. Not sure if you can see that in there, but sometimes our other concerns are scratches and transfer paint. Transfer paint is not so much the concern, because what we end up doing is buffing it out, and it comes out well, but sometimes there's scratches in it, so it changes the way the final product ends up. But this one just has transfer paint, so we're just gonna buff that out before we start working and get to it. Man, that thing was sharp. I think that one turned out real well, but it took some work getting to. It was a lot sharper than I thought, but turned out well, I believe so. That's it for us today. Thanks for watching. Contact us on all social media outlets. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.